They say to Mary, our mother, that she is one of three gods. And they have made Isa one of three gods together with Allah. Three gods, they say. But how could there be three gods? Allah Ta'ala is free from eating and drinking, while Isa alayhi salam used to eat and drink. He ate little, very little, but he did eat. He could not live without eating. But if Allah Ta'ala allows someone to live without eating, then he lives. For example, now, on the second heaven, he has not died. He is under the rule of the angels and he no longer eats. But in the world, his physical constitution required food because Allah made all humans in this world dependent on food, even prophets. Yes, some of them eat once every 10 days or 40 days, that is separate, but still, everyone ultimately needs to eat. No one is as strong as prophets. Musa fasted 40 days without iftar or sahur. We're not talking about extraordinary cases, but even then he needed food. Therefore, to prove that Isa and our mother Mary are not divine, what does the Quran say? Mary ate food and Isa ate food. How could those who eat be my partners? What does it mean that they ate food? Who eats food is in need. I am not in need. And after eating, what necessarily follows? One needs to relieve oneself, the greater and the smaller type. Who needs that is needy. Needing such things is a deficiency. But Allah Ta'ala is free of all deficiencies. I do not eat, I do not drink, and I do not need anything. Needing something like food is to be incomplete. So if someone eats or drinks, he eventually needs a restroom break. You stop the bus, everyone rushes to the restroom. Why? Because when the bus does not stop for hours, they become desperate. Who eats and drinks is needy, but Allah Ta'ala is not. As-Samad. The first meaning of As-Samad is this, the one who needs nothing. There is no Samad besides Allah Ta'ala. No one else is free from eating and drinking. Thus Christians are wrongdoers, polytheists and slanderers against Allah Ta'ala. They fabricate lies about Him. Ahmad ibn Hanbal, the noble Imam, whenever he saw a Christian in Baghdad, would immediately close his eyes and turn away. People would ask him, she is not a woman, not something unlawful to look at. Why do you turn away? He would say, I cannot bear to look at someone who says Allah has a son, who claims Allah has a partner, who attributes a wife to Allah. I cannot endure seeing someone who slanders my Rabb in such a way. He would say, how can a servant slander Allah like this? If he believes Allah has a son and a wife, then he is slandering Allah. And I cannot bear to look at someone who attributes lies to my Rabb. But what happened to our Muslims today? Messages everywhere. New Year greetings already passed. Christmas also passed. And now this new foreign term Christmas is everywhere. People with names like Ahmed, Mehmet, Fatima, Aisha, all celebrating Christmas. They send messages saying, Merry Christmas. They even say another foreign phrase. I don't remember it now. They say it, but it doesn't stay in my mind. These foreign expressions. What are you doing? What do you want to become? Don't you understand? The Christians' Christmas is not celebrating the birth of Isa. It is the ceremony of making Isa a partner to Allah. Christians do not celebrate a Mawlid. Christians do not celebrate a Mawlid. They celebrate because they claim Allah gave birth. This, may it never be so, is shirk. Any slightest honor, participation, or joining in a ceremony of shirk destroys a person. But today Muslims have normalized it completely. It used to be different. Now this became ordinary. Many people's religious homes collapse. Their beliefs fall apart. Many go to the hereafter ruined.